Have you ever seen the show Gold Rush on Discovery, where a group of speculators go to Alaska and they dig in the side of the mountain for what they call the pay dirt? They drop that pay dirt into a shaker where they in essence wash rocks, and they try to separate the gold from the larger rocks, and they wash the smaller rocks mixed with gold in what they call a sluice box, with the expectation that the gold flakes will drop to the mats at the bottom of the sluice box. And then at the end of the week, they do what they call a clean out, where they clean those mats and see what they have. Folks, this is Bag of Don at StockMarketCaddy.com. During the week, we can't help but be bombarded with the news of the day. We try not to let that interfere at all with our trading. But on the weekends, if we watch any TV at all, it's what we like to view is the brainless TV. But if you haven't seen Gold Rush, I want to show you a glimpse of what a clean out looks like. And then immediately following that, I want to show you a strategy that we run called the shaker. We run multiple strategies, as you know, but I want to show you our clean out on 21 stocks that we ran last week and 7 futures markets in our strategy called the shaker. First, let's cut back to Gold Rush.
After 2 days running just the gray material from bedrock, Fred calls for a cleanup.
This is the deepest dirt that we've had. Could be the best gold ever. Could be the worst gold ever. You'd never know until after you ran it. I'll be damned, look at that. Okay, well that's a bunch of gold. All this line right here has got flakes of gold in it. I'm seeing gold all over the top sluice box. We've obviously got into some bigger gold.
That's what I like to hear. Yeah, that's what I like to hear.
Damn nice. Look at that. That's a good show right there.
My guess? 5 ounces.
How much?
5.
5?
Yeah.
That's it.
I just see a few flakes here and there.
You are so full of it. I'll give you a pile of them right here. Look at that. I've never been able to do this before. I can scoop them up right now. There's a number of gold up here. Look at this. This is insane. 9 ounces.
Might be a little bit in here too. Oh, nice.
I'll be damned.
All right. We're gonna do it here.
Fred has 50 ounces of gold in the bank, only halfway to his 100-ounce goal. For him to have any chance of hitting $160,000 worth of gold in the last couple of weeks, he has to get at least 7 ounces in this cleanout.
Come on, baby.
17.6. Good job.
God. That's more than twice what we've been getting.
A couple days running.
A couple days running. Hoffman's took a year to get 15 ounces. They're 17.6 sitting there after. Ow! I love it.
Fred.
So there you saw a clean out, courtesy of the show Gold Rush, no affiliation. Folks, we hope you're having fun with what you're doing. I wanted to show you something that we haven't ordinarily done. Now, let me just preface this. We run systems trading. We spend weeks, months writing hard code to run our stocks on. And we run multiple ones. This particular strategy we call the shaker, SMC. This is the desktop up here. SMC just stands for Stock Market Caddy, and this is our shaker and sluice box. And this particular strategy that we ran on 21 stocks last week was the shaker. This is meant to pick up flakes of gold. We run other strategies that are meant to pick up nuggets over longer periods of time. So I don't want everyone to think that we just run one strategy. We run multiple strategies. But let's go through. Break out your pencil. This is our cleanout. Now, this is if you stayed with the strategy and traded every single trade that the strategy did. And we do account for commissions and we do account for slippage, but in the reality of the world, we also reserve the right, if we see gold nuggets, as you saw that gentleman doing, going through the sluice box, and we want to reach in and take that profit, we do. So if we have an exceptionally large nugget of flake going through the sluice box during the course of the week, we will grab that. So, but if we just blindly follow the machines, this is what our clean out was for last week. 426.50, 2 trades. Apple, dry ships, lost $8, 1 trade. Baidu, $292, 8 trades. FedEx, 1 trade, net $546. Facebook, 8 trades, $12.65. Goldman Sachs, 4 trades, loss $260. Groupon, 13 trades, net $2,024.86. Guild, 3 trades, loss $713. Gold itself, 2 trades, $38. Monster, 1 trade, loss $232. Netflix, that's not last week. No trades on Netflix. We would expect volatility this week, not a single trade. The QID, 8 trades, net 77. SDS, 1 trade, loss $49.50. SSO, 1 trade, net $569.50. Tesla, 8 trades, $1,091. UGL, 1 trade, loss $52. The VIX, 7 trades, net $606. Win, loss $312. Yahoo, 8 trades, loss $1196.50. And Yelp, which ordinarily pays out well, had 3 trades, loss $17.55. You get an appreciation that if you can get rid of those losses, the net on our shaker for these 21 stocks, $3,380.90. Now let's take a look at our shaker on our futures contracts for last week. Now, because the futures contracts are leveraged, we don't run as many on the shaker, but last week, 11 trades, a loss, $825 for the S&P 500. The Russell, net $923, 5 trades. The Dow, 2 trades, net $580. Aussie dollar, 1 trade, loss $503. British pound, 6 trades, $610.75. Net. The euro, 3 trades, net $860. Japanese yen, 1 trade, net $294. The bond, 2 trades, net $206.75. Gold itself, 6 trades, loss $230. Copper, 7 trades, $436. The shaker for our futures contracts, net for the week, including slippage, including commissions, $2,854. I hope you've enjoyed our little parallel to mining gold. For us, trading stocks or trading futures is just that. It's mining gold. It's hard work. It calls for some savvy, some experience, time, and effort. But if you think you can take a gold pan and go out to the nearest river and start panning for gold, then you go right ahead. Take that IRA, take that 401k, open up a brokerage account, and start pushing stocks around. After you've wasted a lot of time and hopefully not too much money, feel free to give us a call at stockmarketcaddy.com, because we are about education We are about teaching folks how to clear out the overburden. You want to clear out the overburden so you can get to the pay dirt. Get an education from someone, someplace, and ideally a mentor. This is Bag of Dawn at StockMarketCaddy.com. We wish everyone the best. Feel free to give us a call. And remember, our fees for what we do, it's not so much the value of our time, it's the value of your time. And if your time has no value, then we probably will never meet. But I wish you the best. Good luck.